This happens to a lot of people. It works if you imagine like you're talking to someone. I try to imagine all my viewers like as if somebody's watching me live. कितनी लंबी ये टॉपिक कितना स्ट्रेच होना चाहिए. So these kind of things are very personal depending on the content and depending on the creator. जो देख रहा है उसको वो एनर्जी कैच करने को मिले.
करेक्ट.
As an influencer, you're always creating.
पूरा वीडियो मैंने रेंडर कर लिया और बाद में पता चलता कि एक स्पेलिंग एरर निकल गया.
Oh, yeah, there's no team. Like if he's not editing, so it's not like that I have to depend on him to edit.
YouTube में पैसा कैसे कमाया जाता है?
Yeah, that's really great because I feel this happens to a lot of people and there are some times, बहुत टाइम से मैंने भी शूट नहीं किया होता है तो you know like एक वो glitch आती है and then I'm always or just feeling weird. I feel it works if you imagine like you're talking to someone. Imagine when I put my camera, I try to imagine all my viewers like as if somebody's watching me live. And then part is that you can edit out what you don't like. So when you edit table, then it's your imagination, then it's your vision कि आपको क्या fast paced video होनी चाहिए, कितनी लंबी ये टॉपिक कितना स्ट्रेच होना चाहिए. So these kind of things are very personal depending on the content and depending on the creator that how you want to work. But I do feel कि if you're taking 70 to 80 takes, then first of all just taking a deep breath and preparing, like have a written कि क्या बोलना है so that you're not forgetting, and also not to focus or just get paranoid about कि अरे हर एक चीज लाइन से जानी चाहिए.
हाँ, correct.
Have to be comfortable, so your room, your timing to shoot. I feel like personally if I'm not in a good mood तो वो कैमरे पे दिखता है.
हाँ, वो मूड पे बहुत फर्क पड़ जाता है. Exactly.
Yeah, so
ये मैंने भी मतलब एक्सपीरियंस किया है. Yeah.
In fact, like I remember when we used to have Google workshops in the starting. So we had a workshop in which Sherry, Sherry Shroff. So she explained it very well that camera is going to catch this much percentage of your vibes. So like it's certain excitement that you have to show even if when you are in a room, technically. But person who's watching you has to get that vibe. So if you're like doing fashion video, so your mood, vibe, right. That जो देख रहा है उसको वो energy catch करने को मिले.
Correct. Also this one more thing कि यार वो energy जो है ना, जो जैसे आपने कहा कि the vibe actually is important. It's actually very important for the viewer also because आप ये बात अपने आप को लेके सोचो ना कि if you're watching a dull video like hey guys thank you so much for watching the video, obviously nobody will be interested to watch that video, but on the other hand if you start in on a very energetic mood like hey guys thank you so much for watching the video, if you like the video hit the like button, share it around and subscribe to the channel, so वो energy अपने आप transition हो जाती है.
Yeah, and also some signature way of saying, like
yeah
mostly sane Prajakta,
love love yeah,
so like that then your viewers connect to that a lot.
Yeah, correct.
How she or the content creator talk, and every time you get that mood.
Yeah.
I can tell you for sure that as an influencer, you're always creating, even if you're not creating.
Yeah.
You're creating on the paper, you're getting things together. So it looks video which is 5 minutes. Somebody feels कि देख के लगता है कि अरे ये तैयार होके अपने बेडरूम में ही तो शूट किया है. Angles, and so it is a crazy job. It looks very easy.
It looks very easy on the camera, yeah. It looks as if कि अरे इसमें क्या मेहनत है, script ready है, camera है सामने जाके बोल दो. As if they feel as if कि कोई post production नहीं है, कोई edit नहीं है. Like even वो edit में क्या होता है ना, what's your pet peeve? Again, my next question is what's your pet peeve? क्योंकि मेरा pet peeve ये है ना कि जब मैं एडिट पे बैठता हूँ ना, बहुत सारे वीडियोस आई गिव इट टू माय एडिटर टू शूट, एडिट करो कि भाई यू एडिट, यू डू दिस, इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट जॉब, आई माइट मेस इट अप, सो प्लीज यू टेक इट अप. बट बहुत सारा क्या होता है जब मैं एडिट जब करता हूँ ना, मेरे को लगता है कि यार पूरा वीडियो मैंने रेंडर कर लिया और बाद में पता चलता कि एक स्पेलिंग एरर निकल गया. मैंने कहा अरे यार 2 घंटा लगा मेरे को रेंडर करने में, and then I found a spelling mistake. I have to render the entire video just for that one spelling.
I feel like my pet peeve when editing or after the video when it's put on post process, just that if the like shoot करते वक्त मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं like I'm on very high energy, I'm filming it very nice. But then if I or if in the edit something is not looking nice, like especially with makeup videos, if the color is not and it's not up nice, then I'm like, oh my god, now I have to make a call, either proceed.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes people don't even know how many times you've actually filmed that video 2 or 3 times that makeup
Yeah,
look
exactly.
done, and then it comes out
Yeah.
देख के लगेगा कि अरे बैठे और कर लिया, but yeah, it's time to reach that place where you can just do it in one go.
काफी मेहनत है. मतलब I can relate because I'm also creating content, so मतलब even now मेरे को टाइम लगता है एक टेक में दे देने के लिए पूरा टॉक, so it takes time. So even if for people who are thinking कि बहुत easy है, it is not easy, guys. It's very difficult to create a full framed video. What you guys see is
I'm telling you, a life of an influencer looks very easy and it's completely the opposite. And
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Feel it's easy, you better try it for 2 days. Just 2.
Yeah. All right. So there's one more myth with regard to creating content is that, लोगों को लगता है कि since YouTubers है 300, 400, 500K सब्सक्राइबर्स है तो बड़ी टीम होगी और काफी सारे एडिटर्स होंगे, 10 एडिटर्स है, 5 जन शूट कर रहे हैं, एक जन बैकग्राउंड के लिए है, एक जन लाइटिंग के लिए है. So let's debunk that myth once and for all.
So I've never had more than one person working with me.
Okay. So same here.
Yeah, so I have an assistant, which right now I don't have. There's someone who works freelance. So I usually only have an assistant who helps me with stuff, and then editing, either I do it by myself. If I have a photographer, then that's also freelance. So I hire a photographer depending on the projects, and photographer, then they edit. And if it's not, then usually my husband is doing 50 to 60% of. He's good at that. So yeah, like he runs the show behind the screen, so that is there. But yeah, there's no team. Like if he's not editing, so it's not like that I have to depend on him to edit or that sort. But yeah, कोई lighting के लिए नहीं है, कोई makeup के लिए नहीं है. Like everything you have to do.
Correct.
The thing.
He says कि 2-3 pillars है when you start creating content. One is create share worthy content. So अगर share worthy content बनेगा ना, अपने आप your video reaches a lot more people automatically. Like he says कि पहले 3-4 शेयर तो आप फ्रेंड्स को बोल के करा दोगे कि यार मेरा पोस्ट शेयर कर देना, मैंने पोस्ट किया फेसबुक पे और इंस्टाग्राम पे, स्टोरी पे डाल के टैग कर दे, आई विल रीपोस्ट इट. ठीक है, बट आफ्टर दैट ही सेज दैट योर फ्रेंड्स का शेयर नीड्स टू बी अर्नड. दैट्स योर लॉयल्टी. ठीक है, सो यू नीड टू मेक शेयर वर्दी कंटेंट. यू नीड टू मेक कंटेंट दैट इज शेयर वर्दी. आपको देखना पड़ेगा, आपको बहुत डीपली ये कंज्यूमर के साइकी में घुसना पड़ेगा. दैट ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट माय कंज्यूमर वांट्स and this is a very relatable issue. So firstly, relatable banao videos ko if you are willing to start out. Sabse pehle make videos which are relatable. Second, make it share worthy. And distribution पे बात करते हैं कि essentially अगर बड़ा video YouTube पे चला गया, how do you distribute that particular video on different platforms? So if you'd like to take that, you can take that.
I think once you're like, for an example, if you're putting a video on YouTube, so even before putting video on YouTube, you can start creating hype. Like Facebook page, go to more, you can post an editing ka picture and write that I'm editing something exciting. Then you can also talk in your stories and get people involved in the process of the video even before the video is going up. The idea is to create a journey, and will get linked to the process, then they will come and watch it. Then
Correct.
after is live, just the whole promotion. You can do stories, you can do boomerangs, you can come live and talk about the video, or you can share screenshots people are already saying, and just snippets of the video to make a little suspense. These kind of things matter, and eventually, like bit by bit, you practice and you get a hold of it. But what I think most importantly matters is before the video, how much hype you create. That okay, what you do.
Correct.
2 or 3 days before, even when you start working on a video, like while you can talk about, okay, so this is what I'm planning to create. You don't have to give the idea, but just like in general that, okay, if what is it that's making you film that video? That is the start, I feel. Not once your video is out. After that, it's a different process. And of course, asking people to share, messaging them in DM, since if you now, maybe people will immediately, but if you start making videos, then eventually people will also start sharing. So yeah, these little steps.
Awesome. एक और बहुत ही commonly asked question to YouTubers है कि YouTube में पैसा कैसे कमाया जाता है?
So pointers में बोलूंगी मैं, because this is
आराम से.
Everyone feels it's a mystery. When you start, it's a business. You put a little amount, or depending on what kind of content you're creating, you put a certain amount of money in the business by gadget, if it's free editing, and then after that you're just like, for an example, if you're creating makeup content, beauty content, buying products, so these kind of things are your costings. This is your investment. And then after that, eventually you start working with brands on barter, which is an ugly part of life, but you start doing it. At that point of time, you're the happiest because the deals are
yeah.
Once you have a base of audience, एक तो YouTube views के through आपको certain amount of money आता है, depending on how many people are watching the video, what the ad is playing, that's a whole paragraph. But you get money through YouTube, their ads, and then the other is the brands start approaching you for collaborations. Like for an example, a brand can work on, we want to promote this product, and how we want to go ahead with it. Then you give them a costing, and that's how you start making money.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Who influences the influencers is my next question. So who would you look up to?
A lot of other influencers, yeah. I have so many people. In fact, I recently even shared influencers from different areas. Like for lifestyle, I follow Vex King. He has an amazing book. I think you should give it a read. It's Good Vibes, Good Life. It talks a lot about self-love. Then in my own field, I look up to Sherry and then Komal Pandey. I love her work. I think she's doing a great job. Then Prajakta, people like that. So a lot of people, honestly. I feel like this whole community, we keep checking on each other. Larissa's content is amazing.
Yes.
Yeah, so a lot of people.
Awesome. All right. Thank you so much, Komal, for joining in. It's been a fun conversation. I hope we've been able to provide value about content creation and YouTube at scale to people who are joining in. And yes, stay in touch. I'll see you soon.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah. Bye-bye. Stay safe. You too. Bye-bye.